Hello everyone, welcome to the session 4. So in this session we are studying the definition of energy storage, why the energy storage should be done, and what are the different methods available for the energy storage. Coming to the definition of energy storage can be defined as a means of storing energy in a readily recoverable form when supply exceeds the demand for use at later times. So it is nothing but storing the energy such that it is readily recoverable form. It is in readily recoverable form, and when the supply exceeds the demand, the stored energy can be used. Storage of primary fuels like coal, oil and gas also form of energy storage, but most of the times the energy storage is applied to secondary energy sources rather than primary energy sources. Then why we have to go with storing the energy? We'll study the necessity of energy storage. The first one is the effective utilization of intermittent and variable energy sources such as solar, wind often requires energy storage. Most of the times the non-conventional energy sources are variable energy sources. They are not constant all the time. It depends on many parameters. In order to use non-conventional energy sources at a very effective rate, the energy storage should be done. In some cases, the electrical energy may be generated either on land or at a sea, where the location is too distant from the consumption center for which conventional transmission line to be used. Say for example, ocean thermal energy conversion. So energy storage is required because in some cases the electrical energy is generated either on land or at a sea, but the distance between the origin and the consumption center is very long. So there the conventional transmission line should be used, where say again the storing of energy storage plays a vital role here also. Third point, that is electrically propelled vehicles require some form of energy storage. Since the vehicle must carry its energy supply, storage system must be readily transportable. So the electrical propelled vehicle also require some form of energy storage. So the vehicle must carry its energy supply, and also the storage system used should be readily transportable. So for these reasons the energy storage is very essential. Then how we can store the energy? The energy storage methods can be classified based on the form in which the energy is stored. Say for example, energy is stored in mechanical, or energy is stored in chemical, or energy is stored in thermal. So based on that the energy storage techniques can be used. So here I am giving the classification of energy storage methods. The first one is mechanical energy storage. In this we can have pumped hydroelectric storage, or we can have compressed air storage, or there may be flywheel storage. Second is electrical storage. In this the most commonly used device is the lead acid battery, which is used as a electrical storage. The third one is chemical energy storage. In this the chemical energy can be stored via hydrogen or ammonia or reversible chemical reactions. And the fourth method is electromagnetic energy storage, and the fifth method is thermal energy storage. Again, three are available in this thermal energy storage, like sensible heat storage, latent heat storage, or chemical reactions. And the last one is biological storage. So that's the brief classification of energy storage, or energy storage methods are listed in slides. Coming to, we'll solve a few multiple choice questions in today's session also, so that we can have winding up session after completion of this multiple choice questions. First question: pumped hydroelectric storage is an example of dash energy storage. The options given here are mechanical, electrical, electromagnetic, and thermal, and the right answer is mechanical. One more important thing I forgot to tell is all these methods will be studied in the later sessions, so it will be taught. Need not to worry what is pumped hydroelectric storage and what is lead acid battery storage. In the upcoming sessions you are going to study. Second question, sorry. Lead acid battery is an example of dash energy storage. So the options given here are A, mechanical, B, biological, C, electrical, and D, thermal. I will repeat the question, sorry for the interruption. Lead acid battery is an example of dash energy storage. Option A, mechanical, option B, biological, option C, electrical, and option D, thermal. And the right answer is option C, electrical. Lead acid battery is an example of electrical energy storage. So in the classification slide I have noted down all these points. Kindly go through it once again. Third question: dash energy may be stored with the help of chemical reactions. Option A, mechanical, option B, thermal, option C, electromagnetic, and option D, electrostatic. So the right answer is option B, that is thermal. Just refer my previous slides, you will find all the answers for the multiple choice questions. Say mechanical energy storage, pumped hydroelectric storage I have picked, and for electrical storage I said that is lead acid battery, and also I said the heat energy or thermal energy can be stored in the form of chemical reactions. So that's all about the multiple choice questions. So correct responses are also listed here. Kindly go through it. For question 1, the right response is A, for 2 C, and for 3 it is B respectively. So that's the end of session 4. So thank you very much one and all for your patience hearing. Bye bye.